how to reset your password or add a new password in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'll guide you how you can reset or add a new password in ChatGPT. So the steps of doing so are really very easy. First go to the chatgpt.com website, then click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once this menu pops up, click onto the settings option, and within the settings you will need to click onto this security option. Within the security, you will see this option of password. From here, click onto this add button. And once you will click onto this add button, you will see that you will head to this particular URL. Now from here, simply type in the new password and then re-enter the new password. You may also need to go to your Gmail and confirm by submitting an OTP, and you will be all set and your new password will be successfully set. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.